try these designs. So I use the shapes again, made another structure. We will try to take it. So we are going to explore the more options. It's an eraser tool. So let's have an elliptical shape. So there we are creating the angle. Height against it. Use another shape. Let's take it. There is another one. We are using. Add some designs to explore.